The way that your immune system protects you. Most people understand what their immune system does, as this is fairly obvious from its name. It works by providing a level of immunity to illnesses and diseases to the different parts of your body. But in this article we will take this a step further than just being aware of what your immune system does to how it actually does it. It is fair to say that the majority of people do not have a clear understanding of precisely how their immune system protects them from viruses. We believe that it is really important for you to know this so that you can be aware of your own reactions to a disease and what your immune system requires to continue to protect you. Your immune system will give you a fever. Often your immune system will protect you by giving you a fever. You will probably think that having a fever is a bad thing, but the truth is that your immune system giving you a minor fever can help you a lot. The first thing that your body will do is to raise its temperature to try and eliminate the virus. This is because the virus will be unable to survive at high temperatures. This can be quite a dangerous process for you, so it is important that you keep track of your temperature to ensure that it does not get too high. It responds with white blood cells. When your immune system detects the presence of foreign bodies in your system, it will respond by using white blood cells. Think about white blood cells as your enforcers. Their job is to eliminate any harmful microorganisms that they discover. Some of your white blood cells will become attached to these harmful organisms in an attempt to make them weaker. Others will mount a direct attack on the harmful organisms to try and kill them. The best part is that the white blood cells will learn about the organisms they got rid of, enabling you to develop immunity to them in the future. Inflammation is part of your immune system. When people are sick, they will often find that certain areas of their body become inflamed, which is obviously uncomfortable. We all know that inflammation is not a great experience, but it could be a sign that you have an infection, as it is an important part of your immune system. Once bad bacteria get into your system, it will use your blood vessels to travel around and spread all over. Your immune system can make certain areas of your body inflamed so that it constricts the blood vessels located in that area, and making it harder for the bacteria to spread throughout your body. When your white blood cells notice this inflammation, they will respond immediately to try and eliminate the bad bacteria. You probably think that a lot of the ways your body reacts to sickness are uncomfortable, annoying, and even gross. But this is all part of your immune system protecting you and making you feel better as fast as it can. So it is vital that you do everything that you can to take care of your immune system so that it will continue to protect you all of the time.